This is Alan Bush with ADMIS. In the stock index futures, did see higher prices in the overnight trade with some follow through to the upside this morning. In fact, we did see some new highs for the move. This due to the durable goods orders report that came in quite a bit better than expected, up 2.6%. The guess was up 2%. Since the no, we have seen some profit taking coming in, and we are now back to lower on the day. Technically, this market seems to be in very good shape, and I think we can see a recovery back to higher on the day. Still thinking that longer term, the main trend is higher for stock index futures. Over in the currencies, we did see a little pressure coming into the dollar index more recently. However, it was higher in the overnight trade due to the ongoing political problems in Ukraine. We continue to feel that the main trend for the dollar is lower as it has continued to underperform the news. We also feel that the main trend for the pound is higher, with the British pound gaining in the overnight trade. This after UK retail sales coming in better than expected after a weak March. So the pound looks higher from here. The US dollar looks lower. It also looks like the Japanese yen can come under some pressure as the feeling continues that the Bank of Japan will be announcing more accommodation within the next couple of months. So the yen looks lower. Also, we did have some news from the European Central Bank. The president there, Mario Draghi, gave some very strong hints that the ECB could embark on some type of asset purchase plan similar to the US. So there's a very strong possibility that the ECB will be announcing before the end of the year some type of quantitative easing program. So of course that would be a bearish factor. However, the Eurozone economy seems to be holding up relatively well. So I would focus on the short side of the dollar, the short side of the yen, and the long side of the British pound. And I think I'd leave the euro currency alone for now. Over in the interest rate markets, some pressure in the overnight trade, some follow-through weakness with the durable goods orders report coming in as strong as it did, but with stock index futures coming off of the highs, treasuries trading from lower on the day to higher on the day. So we feel that the main trend is still higher in treasuries, especially at the long end. And from here, I would expect continued gains today. Once again, these are my opinions alone and are not the opinions of ADMIS or Archer Daniels Midland.